Alright, here we go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For everybody who's new, who's wondering, dude, why are you putting your OEM exhaust? Well, let me explain really quick. But before I do, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate all the support that you guys give me, and go ahead, comment down below to get a chance to be shouted out in the next video. And today's shout out is gonna go to Matt Pierre. Hopefully I said your name right. He said, I love your content, bro. One of the reasons why I got my G35. Thank you, brother. I really do appreciate you, man. These kind of comments that I see every day really do lift me up. Like, I swear on everything that I do get a lot of negative comments, and so when I see a positive comment, they're nice to see, and it really motivates me to keep on going and making these videos for you guys.
But anyways, one of the reasons why I'm putting back the OEM exhaust is because, well, if you don't know, I live here in California, and the laws here in California are a little bit stricter than other, and by a little I mean a lot stricter than other states.
We have a law here in California that your exhaust cannot be more than 95 decibels, I believe, which is with any exhaust you put, you're already pretty much passing it, I think. So that really sucks. And also, there's a lot of sideshows here going on in California, and that kind of ruins the image, and so a lot of cops are now enforcing it strictly, and they're just pretty much stopping any car that looks modified and things like that, and they're popping your hood, checking if you have any modified stuff, and if it's not legal, they're sending your ass to this thing called a state rep, where they pretty much got to check your car and make sure that it's legal to California standards once again. So if you haven't checked that video out of mine, go ahead. I have the whole footage of when the cops stopped. Pretty much cracks me down for loud exhaust, even though I was cruising at 65 miles per hour in the freeway, which is 65-mile-per-hour speed, and I was in 6th gear. Not loud at all. My Z1 exhaust is not that loud, I like to believe, especially when I'm not even stepping on it and I got cut off and I was actually pressing the brakes. I don't see how my exhaust could have been loud, and well, he still cracked me down, and so we gotta do all this.
Now, it's important that we do all this first because we get tuned for the supercharger on July 31st, and we want to take care of this before we slap everything back on, so we can clear that ticket, clear our DMV record, and proceed to live on life. So without further ado, let me go ahead and pull out the cars, put the G here in the middle, jack it up a bit, and let's begin today's day. As you can see under, there's where my air fuel sensor's at. So you see how that goes into the bung connected to my white pipe. We're gonna be removing the white pipe so we can no longer have that there. My test pipes are over there, down there. We got 1320 performance test pipes. All right, guys, so you can see here, my cats are still here. And look at this motherfucker right here. Look, this is strip. This freaking nut thing that goes around the O2 is strip. So, but good thing is that the O2 sensor still works in itself, right? The O2 sensor still works. We can just connect this and boom, we're already set to go, man. We got the OG demon bolts. Look at this boy. This boy is a pain in the ass, man. But these boys are heavy, man. Man, these boys are heavy. I don't know how they make us get these in the car, bruh. Catch you guys in the next YouTube video where you guys will see pretty much this, turning it back to stock. You can see here my test pipes. These bolts should be, oh man, this is still hot. Probably wait for it to cool down then a little bit. But let's go ahead and pull down the cat, see if that O2 sensor is still on there. Here are my test pipes. They're officially out of the vehicle, so no longer will the car be loud. And yeah, we get to put on those heavy ass cats that these cars come with. Set these aside for now for a couple of weeks until we put them back on. So now that we're down here and we removed everything, we're gonna see if we can go ahead and install the cats. Oh my god, you fatsos, bro. Alright guys, both my cats are officially back on board, ready to join the party. The cats, the OEM cats, these fatsos, they're back in the game, boys. Alright guys, we're pretty much on the verge of taking this thing off. I'm pretty much just taking off the hanger, and this thing should be off. Almost there. Single exit is officially out, bro. Oh my god, this is gonna make me cry. But I did a quick TikTok, bruh, and that shit low-key made me cry, bruh. Look at this. I don't know if you guys heard of that song on TikTok, but man, that song hits, bruh, especially in moments like this. Got the cats on, we got the white pipe on. Pretty much just need the the last thing, the freaking muffler that goes in here. Now that I think about it, how is it gonna go in here? I have no space. No. Oh, no, 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 no. Things always have to go wrong, bruh. Things always have to go wrong. Are you kidding me, bro? And I have my neon lights in. Oh my god, you stupid officer. The amount of work just went from almost done to halfway done. Hey guys, we are back and the G35 is officially converted back to stock, at least OEM wise. We still got the freaking manifold up in the front. We will switch that another day. That's not really interesting. I don't know if you guys want to see that, but as far as the exhaust, I'm excited to hear the original VQ sound, the sound we all fell in love with, the sound that is just amazing in so many ways. But let me show you guys. Now we have dual exhaust. You guys can see my bumper got completely shattered, burnt up from the single exit. You did me good, brother. You did me good. You guys can see we fit that fat muffler in between the diffuser. Thank God it still fit. We had to do a couple adjustments, but it was able to fit. We have the freaking fat muffler on there. All I gotta do right now is clean up a little bit because I absolutely made a mess. You can see I brought out the Vaseline because I was getting frustrated, so I had a freaking... Nah, okay, relax guys, relax, you freaking dirty people. Nah, I brought out the Vaseline so I could put it inside of the freaking these hangers, because so I can make it slippery and then make it easier to come out. I don't know if it helped, but I mean, I think it did. There is a bit of happiness inside just because, like I said, I can drive in peace here in California. I don't feel like I would be bothered. Except for the tints, I guess. Man, if they get that really is sad, man. Like stopping people for tint. Like I get it. Like actually, I don't get it. Like what is it? Is it like a security thing? Like they want to see who's inside the car? Like for like kidnapping purposes? I don't know. But tint, man, come on. That's just the saddest thing, man. Why we need tint? California is damn hot out here. I'll tell you one thing though. If my channel does happen by some reason happens to, you know, blow up or grow successfully, and I'm able to make a full-time job living off of YouTube, I can almost guarantee you that I am willing to move out of California and go to another state like Utah. Utah is beautiful, and it's hard to pick because California is a really perfect state, man. Nothing rarely goes bad out here as far as like natural disasters or things like that. But honestly, I would so gladly move out, especially when taxes are so high here. I would definitely move out and start a paradise somewhere else in another state. Alright guys, we got a fan out here who just pulled up to the house, man. Anything you want to say?
Yeah, here with this car, looks really nice. Seen the gauges. Sadly, had to take off the exhaust though. Put the old one back on. And don't forget, shut your hoods.
Oh yeah, there you go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the time has come to hear the exhaust, the OEM exhaust here on the G35. I took some time to kind of prep up a little bit, shower, because I'm going out to a friend's graduation party, and but I had to cool off too, because man, I was starving. I haven't ate, and I was just, it's hot out here. And all right, here we go. What the hell? What the hell? Hear that shit? That is so soft and yo, what? Oh man, I gotta rev it. I gotta rev it for sure. But that's crazy. It's been such a long time since I've ever heard the OEM exhaust. I think it's been about 3-4 years since I've heard that. So this is insane. Well, that's that, folks. It does sound good, but I'm not gonna lie, you hear a lot of the engine and not too much of the exhaust. But when you do hear the exhaust, it sounds pretty damn good. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and take it out for a spin, see if we can hear it a lot more. Maybe, I don't know, it sounds good, but
Too soft, way too soft.
All right, guys, we're here in the G35. You guys probably think the car is shut off. It's actually on. That's how quiet the new exhaust is. I don't know. I heard the original tone, which sounds super good, but honestly, I'm pretty unhappy right now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm pretty unhappy. The car does not feel right. Anyways, we're gonna drive right now. I just got out of a soccer game. My hamstring is pulled, so hopefully I don't crash. Hopefully I can still drive, but let's go forward and put on the GoPro and head out. Feels like an Eco Boost. What the hell? Let me see if I can downshift into second. Right here. Never do a pull in an intersection. There could be cops for the... Oh shit. Woo! It feels good, brothers. It feels good, but it needs more loud, bro. It needs more loud. And let's give the burner to this lovely couple right here. Yeah, it needs a bit more power, but oh, there's a cop next to us. At least they can't give us a damn chicken no more, cause I ain't got, my shit's gutted. It's back to stock. What you gonna stop me now for? Anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys back home. I gotta focus right now because my hamstring is killing me, and hopefully we can make it safe back home. But I'll catch you guys there, and make sure to do an outro and tell you a little bit of info. I'll catch you guys there, guys.
Anyways, guys, you guys heard the exhaust there. It's a little disappointing, a little sucky, like, bro, like, come on, bro. Like, it sounds good, but you cannot hear it at all, man. Anyways, can I get an F in the chat, in the comment section below, man? It freaking sucks. This Friday, this paycheck, I'm going to go ahead and be buying a Bell's Work differential brace. So you guys saw I still have a little bit of wheel hop, so hopefully that helps a lot. I've heard that it's helped a lot of you guys, so hopefully it can help me. So I'm gonna go ahead and order one, and I'm gonna go ahead and order the 6-pack of the one-step colder spark plugs, because the day is coming by really fast, and we gotta get ready to slap the whole supercharger kit inside the G35. So without further ado, I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys so much for all the support, and the hood should be coming in anytime soon. We gotta order the hood pin. Man, dude, I'm gonna be scared of cutting that hood, man. It's gonna look so nice just to cut it up, to put some nasty freaking hood pins, man. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys. Peace out. Love y'all. BeDistinct. Peace out, brothers.